Thukuru wa gutungatira na guthomithia ciana iria ciri mawathe wa KISE ni wa mwanya guku bururi-ini na gitaru-ini kia irathiro ria bururi hari kuheana motungata itemi-ini ria kugacirithia miturire ya ciana iria iciaragwo na wathe. ICERA ria kamiti ya bunge igie githomo thukuru-ini uyu umuthi rihithuririe mianya mingi ria koretwo kihinga ukinyaniria wa motungata ari hamwe na gukorwo ceceni 42 iria ciambiriirio icagi-ini ngurani cia bururi ciahanire ta ciatiganirio undu ria kamiti ino yugite urabatara kururumukio.
This facility actually needs support from the districts or from the counties, where the national government needs to really revamp those particular facilities so that the special needs children need to be assessed at the county level. So there is need actually to develop a very strong devolved units of psycho educational centers in all our counties.
KISE irabatara MUIGANA wa CIRINGI BIRIONI 3.3 cia kururumura weru ceceni ici, kwandika aruti a wira, kugathika mitambo ya gukinyaniria mathomo ma arutwo hamwe na mangi.
And in our discussion we realized that this requires a lot of manpower, it requires a lot of finances, and it requires a lot of reorganization. These institutions also require a lot of resources on assistive devices. The assessment devices like brailles, like for visual impaired, the hearing impaired. So the government needs a lot of resources.
Kamiti ino oho yugite ni gukorwo igitwara riandikithia thiini wa bunge makienda kugia na gicunji kia watho wa kuramata sekta ino makigweta ati arutwo thukuru-ini ici mari na mabataro ma mwanya na uguo budget ya mahuthiro mao ifatie gukorwo igithurimwo.
We've also realized that the institute runs on a legal notice, and we as members of parliament have said we shall go to the National Assembly, develop an act of parliament that will strengthen special needs education in the Republic and make sure that the learners across the country actually are supported as per the Disability Act of the National Assembly.
Kuhitukira kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TSC, Thirikari ni yoritio gutigirira ni raruta mieke ya guthomithia arutani aigi o tauria kwahoteka aria mafatie guthomithia kana kurugamirira thukuru cia arutwo aria makoragwo na mawathe kothi iria ithomithagirio thukuru-ini uyu.
Mwalimu wa kawaida hawezi kuweza kuongoza shule ambaye ni ya wanafunzi ambao wako na mahitaji tofauti. Lakini ukifika hapa unaweza kupata training ili uweze kusimamiza hizo mashule. Lakini kama Teacher Service Commission na serikali iweze kuweza pesa hapa, ilete walimu wawe trained hapa, itawezesha hao walimu pia waende wasimamie mashule katika sehemu mbalimbali ya kitaifa.
Haduine Hakameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.